Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so the repair process works. Sign into your Apple ID and make sure location services are enabled. This lets Find My receive location data. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My and toggle on Find My iPhone. You're doing this because without an active Apple ID, location services, and the Find My toggle, the system can't register or report the device. Next, we'll validate network and iCloud settings. Now you'll verify connectivity and iCloud sync so Find My can communicate with Apple servers. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and has internet. Without it, location updates won't transmit. Next, check iCloud to confirm Find My appears under your account and is allowed to sync. If anything's stuck, restart the iPhone and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh the connection. Doing this clears transient network errors and forces the phone to re-authenticate with iCloud. Finish by testing from another device or iCloud. Try to locate, play sound, or mark as lost to confirm functionality. If the device shows offline, enable Send Last Location and inspect battery health because low power can disable reporting. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or VPN entries. This preserves data but requires rejoining networks. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.